Zeropark provides a neat tool for checking average bids and available impressions per given campaign setup, and you can calculate the traffic volume and bid based on variables like ad format, device, operating system, geo, carrier, keyword, and source. So to get started, you can go to zeropark.com/traffic calculator, or while you are in the sources area of your dashboard, you can click on the new link to get to the traffic calculator. So this tool is going to be divided into three main tabs. First you have volume, and then you have keywords, and then you have sources. Now in the volume tab, this is where we're going to be first. Let's go ahead and click on the volume tab. You can narrow down your results by device, operating system, and if you want to search by a particular traffic filter for adult traffic, whether you need to look at adult or non-adult traffic. Now keep in mind that some options may not always be for filtering if they're not supported. So for instance, since push traffic is non-adult only, there's no traffic category filter on the push tab of the tool once we look into that. So if you are going to select to display mobile devices only and press the green arrow, point down to the next country you're interested in to see the estimates at a carrier level. So if we're going to go to mobile, then now I can see what's going on at a carrier level in the chart. So I can look at all of that data. And then if there is a particular operating system that I am interested in getting that information for each country, then it drills it down even further for me. And right now we're looking at POP, so that's why I can go between adult and non-adult. If I switch back to push, that's taking away. We just go to mobile, operating system, and then it gives us the country so we can look at what's going on based on the carriers. Alright, so now the keywords tab, moving on, here is where you can do research for your keyword campaigns. So you can filter keywords by country, device, operating system, and traffic category. And you can also search for a specific keyword. So once you provide a keyword, the first entry on the list will be the exact match, and the remaining entries will be a broad match. So let's just do, for example, the keyword travel. So that's going to be my exact match, and that should appear first. And then here are going to be keywords that I can target for a broad match. Now, moving on to the sources tab, you can filter the sources by country, device, operating system, and traffic category they belong to. You can also search for a specific source. So when you click on the See Details, you're going to see the source's volume and average suggested bids in the countries it's available for. And then from there, you can filter by operating system.